Can you connect your Heyday with Facebook? Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, we're going to talk about if it is possible for you to connect your Heyday account with your Facebook account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. So Heyday is a game by Supercell and is kind of like a farming simulator. So the first thing you need to do is check if it is possible or not. For that, open up your Heyday, and once you do that, make sure to log into your account. Then right beside your profile, you'll see the three lines icon or like a hamburger menu. Just tap on it to access your settings. And once you find your settings, just tap on settings and it will open up this new window. And here on your settings, you used to be able to connect your account directly with Facebook, but nowadays it is not possible as Heyday had some problems with Facebook and now they have removed it. The only way to save your game information is by connecting to either your Supercell ID or you can directly connect your account to Google Play. And once that's connected, you should be able to save all of your progress. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.